for yourself this Vauxhall Mokka SE 1.6 CDTi 136 PS. Automatic, a rare automatic. I've got the car ticking over already. Just show you first of all the daytime room lights. You also see the front sensors and front fogs. Just take you first of all into the 18-inch sports alloys. And all the wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. So just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. Come to the rear view. We'll just take you to the boot area itself. You can see the really good sized family boot, 64 inch bit on the rear seats. You also see rear park as we close that. Okay, to the near side rear view. There's some lovely sovereign silver. Just take you into the rear seating area. As I mentioned, full leather interior. All in superb condition. So just walk you down to the near side front, and then just take you around, jump in the cabin, just show you some of the goodies the car's got. Okay, so we'll start with electric windows front and rear, electric heated folding mirrors on the SE. So you got electric adjust on the driver's seat, full leather as I mentioned, driver's armrest. Just jump in the cabin. You'll see auto lights. Across to the centre, trip computer. You'll see there a very healthy 51.4 average at present, 39,000 marks, all it's done. Okay, we've got the controls here for your radio, up and down your volume and taking your phone. Cruise control. We nip into the middle. We've got DAB radio, all CD and Bluetooth. We come a little bit further down, we'll see what I mentioned before, real nice feature. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Also got dual zone climate where you set the temperature different on different sides. Normal air conditioning. As I mentioned, this is the rare bit, the automatic diesel box. Just come across here, we'll just see the history. That's got full history, the last one being done in January this year. The car's got MOT until 31st of July 2025. So a full book pack. There's 2 keys of the vehicle. It would come with 6 months RAC nationwide platinum warranty. Can be extended, and we do offer nationwide delivery. So just have one last look. If you'd like to know more about this car, you can myself Tom, I'm the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.